Hey guys, check it out. I got this Ovation guitar from a friend of mine. Basically gave it to me. It's a 12-string guitar. And basically what's happened is that this bridge is broken. I'm going to try to see if I can show you on this side how the wood just cracked and this whole part came up. So, yeah. So that's this guitar. So I got to figure out a way how to fix that. All right. Normally I would just get a new bridge and try to glue it on, but this is a funky, really kind of crazy kind of setup, these Ovation guitars. Because normally underneath the bridge is a piece of wood on the opposite side that's like a bridge plate. And what this has is, instead of that, is fanning. Similar to a classical guitar, but still different. There's still a piece of wood going across the whole thing. So what I did is I put the camera in the guitar so that you can see how I did that. So basically, or how they did that. So basically what I'm going to need to do is figure out how to fix this thing. And in doing so, I'm not sure I'm going to replace this bridge. I might try to glue it up, which is, 50-50 chance. The other thing I need to do is try to fix this finish as close as possible, because the finish is now cracked off of here. So it's not going to be pretty, but if I could get it working where it's a working guitar, that's cool. Alright, so wish me luck, and stay tuned for how this works out.